It's time for an upgrade. We have the Traxxas Trx4 light kit, and today we will be installing the back lights, the front lights, the rock lights, and then the light bar. Let's open it and we'll show you what's in it. Got an instruction manual, a massive light bar, plate or something, screws to install some of the lights, the rock lights, the power box, the rear lights, the front headlights, looks like a smaller mounting plate, and then maybe another power box, and then a bunch of cable ties. Light bar, front headlights, rear lights, rock lights. So as you can see, guys, we got all 8 rock lights on all 4 wheel wells, and it's not the prettiest wire organization, but it'll work. And we got the rock lights plugged into here, and then over on the body, so we got the front lights up here, and then we have the rear lights back here, and this one, and we have the power box that powers everything. So all these wires plug back into here, and this is not the prettiest wire management. We'll get it fixed, but that's what we're working on so far. Boom, just like that. Here is the fully installed Trx4 Defender Pro Scale light kit. So we got these front headlights on full blast up here with the orange lights, and then the little white lights, and then big ones. And then we got this light bar up here, which you can change from 2 modes to fully bright to dimmed. And then in the back, we got this light up here, and then these 2 back lights up here. If you guys can see up in there, we got the rock lights right there on all 4 wheels. And this thing looks like it's gonna be pretty bright at night. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Here are some cool shots of it driving at night.